I'm in the kitchen and I've got a great recipe for you. If you are going camping or just want to spend time outdoors, we are learning how to make campfire s'mores. Simple ingredients. All you need is large marshmallows, chocolate chips, or you can use Hershey's candy bars. I prefer chocolate chips because otherwise I'd be more tempted to eat the rest of the candy bars. Graham crackers and mini marshmallows. Okay, so first of all, you need an 8x8. And if you want to double the recipe, that is just fine. So you take your 8x8 and you cut up, crunch up, or break apart some s'mores. Now this is a nacho recipe, so you kind of want to make these a little bit not so, I don't know, broken up. If you like the cinnamon ones, the cinnamon graham crackers are just amazing too. So if you want to use those, so you just kind of make them a little big. I kind of made those a little too small. Break them in big pieces because you're going to want to grab a big piece. You make 2 layers of these. So you get that. So you have, make sure you kind of cover the bottom. And to that, you put the small marshmallows. You can make these in the oven. Simple, easy. Slather. Just drop some marshmallows on the bottom of this. This, if you're camping, this truly works better. I mean, if you have your grill, that is just fine, but it works better over coals. So if you're starting a fire at a fire pit and looking for something kind of fun, something that the kids can make, this is it. So then you just add your candy bar or your chocolate chips, maybe, if I can get it open. And then you just sprinkle whatever kind of chocolate chips you like. Just sprinkle that in there. Like when I say this is simple, this is super simple. Make it as chocolate and ooey and gooey as you would like. If you want to cook it in the oven, all you need to do is cook it at 350. You just gotta watch it. Then you just add another layer. This is fun for the kids. I mean, they would have a ball. And who doesn't love a good s'more? When you go camping or just having friends over. Then to that, you just add another layer of mini marshmallows. And this is where the big marshmallows come in. You add more chocolate. As much chocolate as you like. Just add some chocolate, and then you just plop in your big marshmallows. Just here or there. The secret to this is you need to cover it. You need to cover it with heavy foil, and then it doesn't take that long over the heat. And you know it's done when you can smell the marshmallows. Now, if you want to make this into a dip, you take your heavy foil, wrap it up into like a bowl, and then you put your marshmallows and your chocolate, and then you put it over a low heat when the coals are kind of settled. Keep stirring it and watching it so it doesn't burn. You know this is done when you can smell that chocolate. You just open up a corner, smell the chocolate. We're going to put this in the oven. We're not going to take this out on our grill, but this is Campfire s'mores nachos, something that you can make with your kids when you go camping, before you go camping. Easy peasy recipes, and who doesn't love s'mores? Those are the ingredients. We're going to share the recipe later on this morning. Stay with us, friends. We're going to show you this later on in the show. We'll be right back.